Hello students. I am Krishnan. Drilling. The concept of drilling, we are going to discuss about the topics of tap wrenches, removal of broken tap, removal of broken stud. First we are going to discuss about tap wrenches. Let's see the objective of this topic. You shall be able to name the different types of tap wrenches. State the uses of the different types of wrenches. Here, we are going to see the definition of tap wrenches. Tap wrenches are used to align and drive the hand taps correctly into the hole to be threaded. After the definition, we can see the materials used for tap wrenches. Tap wrenches are made from a single piece of solid cast iron or steel. Cast iron and steel are used because of strong, durable and unlikely to deform under pressure. Now we can see the different types of tap wrenches. Double-ended adjustable wrench, T-handle tap wrench, solid type tap wrench. Now see the first type, double-ended adjustable tap wrench or bar-type tap wrench. This is the most commonly used type of tap wrench. It is available in various sizes: 175, 250, 350 mm long. These tap wrenches are more suitable for large diameter taps and can be used in open places where there is no obstruction to turn the tap. The next type is T-handle tap wrench. These are small, adjustable chucks with two jaws and a handle to turn the wrench. This tap wrench is useful to work in restricted places and is turned with one hand only. Most suitable for smaller sizes of taps. The third type is solid type tap wrench. These wrenches are not adjustable. They can take only certain sizes of taps. This eliminates the use of rowing length of the tap wrenches and thus prevents damage to the taps. With the end of solid type tap wrench, we discussed about the tap wrench and different types of tap wrenches. For the remembrance of topic 1, we are going for a quiz. The question is, what is the name of the tap wrench? Option A, T-handle tap wrench. Option B, solid type tap wrench. Option C, double-ended adjustable tap wrench. Option D, bar-type tap wrench. Yes, you are right. The answer is option A, T-handle tap wrench. The next topic is removal of broken tap. Let's see the objectives of this topic. You shall be able to name the different methods of removing broken taps. State the methods of removing broken taps. Let's see the definition of removal of broken tap. A tap broken above the surface of the workpiece can be removed using gripping tools like pliers. Taps broken below the surface pose a problem for removing. Any one of the several methods given below can be used to remove broken taps are use of tap extractor, use of punch, annealing and drilling the tap, use of arc welding, use of nitric acid, use of spark erosion. The first method to remove the broken tap is use of tap extractor. This extractor has fingers, which can be inserted on the flutes of the broken tap. The sliding collar is then brought to the surface of the work, and the extractor turned anticlockwise to take out the broken tap. This is a very delicate tool and need very careful handling. The second one is use of punch. In this method, the point of the punch is placed in the flute of the broken tap in an inclination and struck with a hammer. The positioning of the punch should be such that the broken tap is rotated anticlockwise when struck. The third one is annealing and drilling the tap. This is a method adopted when other methods fail. In the process, the broken tap is heated by flame or by other methods for annealing. A hole is then drilled on the annealed tap. This method is not suitable for workpieces with low melting temperatures, such as aluminium, copper, etc. The fourth one is use of arc welding. This is a suitable method when a small tap is broken at the bottom of materials like copper, aluminium, etc. In this method, the electrode is brought in contact with the broken tap and stuck, so that it is attached with the broken tap. The fifth one is use of nitric acid. In this method, nitric acid is diluted in a proportion of about 1 part acid to 5 parts of water is injected inside. The action of the acid loosens the tap, and then it is removed with an extractor or with a nose plier. And the last one is use of spark erosion. In this process, the metal broken tap is removed by means of repetitive spark discharges. The electrical discharge occurs between an electrode and the electroconductive workpiece, tap, and the minute particles are eroded both from the electrode and the workpiece. With the end of use of spark erosion, we discussed about the removal of broken tap. For the remembrance of topic 2, we are going for a quiz. The question is, what is the name of the part marked as X? Option A, collar. Option B, broken tap. Option C, fingers. Option D, square for tap. Yes, you are right. The answer is option C, fingers. The last topic is removal of broken stud. Let's see the objectives of this topic. You shall be able to state the reasons for breakage of stud, state different methods for removing broken stud, the definition for the removal of broken stud. The stud is used in place of a bolt when there is insufficient space to accommodate the bolt head, or to avoid use of an unnecessarily long bolt. Studs are generally used to fix up cover plates. The reasons for breakage of stud or bolt are: excessive torque is applied while screwing the stud into the hole, corrosive attack on the thread, matching threads are not of proper formation, threads are seized. The methods used for the removing of broken studs are: prick punch method, filing square form, using square taper punch, eased way out method, making drill hole, oversize special stud to suit the tapped hole. Now we are going for the first method, that is prick punch method. If the stud is broken very near to the surface, drive it in an anticlockwise direction, using a prick punch and hammer to remove it. The second method is filing square form. When the stud is broken a little above the surface, form a square on the projecting portion to suit a standard spanner. Then turn it anticlockwise using a spanner to remove it. The third method is using square taper punch. Broken stud can also be removed by drilling a blind hole, hole diameter equals to half of stud diameter, and driving a square taper punch into the hole. Turn the punch using a suitable spanner in an anti-clockwise direction to unscrew the stud. The fourth method is EZY out method. After drilling the hole recommended, EZY out is set on it and turned in an anti-clockwise direction by a tap wrench. As it is rotated, it penetrates into the hole, increasing its grip, and, in the process, the broken stud gets unscrewed. The fifth method is making drill hole. Correctly find out the center of the broken stud and drill hole nearly equal to the core diameter of the stud down the center, so that the threads only remain. Remove the thread portion by the point of a scriber in the form of broken chips. Retap the hole to clear the threads. And the last method is oversize special stud to suit the tapped hole. If all other methods fail, drill a hole equal to the size of the stud size, or a little over, and tap the hole with an oversized tap. Now a special oversized stud is to be made and fitted in position. With the end of oversized special stud to suit the tapped hole, we are discussed about the removal of broken stud. For the remembrance of topic 3, we are going for a quiz. The question is, what is the name of the method for removing broken stud? Option A, use of punch. Option B, EZY out extractor. Option C, using square taper punch. Option D, tap extractor. Yes, you are right. The answer is option B, EZY out extractor. Here we comes with the end. I hope now you all know about what are taps, and what are the different types of taps, what are the different methods to remove the broken taps and broken studs. Thank you.